Hey guys, happy Bloomsday 2020, and to celebrate, I got my copy of Ulysses, and I'm gonna read some. Oh, if you don't know, if you somehow found this video and you don't know who I am, I have a series of videos called Ulysses for Beginners, so you can check them out. I'll put a link down below. I have chosen to read, my passage is the ending of Proteus, the third episode of Ulysses. So here we go. Bag of corpse gas sopping in foul brine, a quiver of minnows, fat of a spongy titbit, flashed through the slits of his buttoned trouser fly. God becomes man, becomes fish, becomes barnacle goose, becomes featherbed mountain. Dead breaths, I living breathe. Tread dead dust, devour a Uranus offal from all dead. Hauled stark over the gunwale, he breathes upward the stench of his green grave, his leprous nosehole snoring to the sun. A sea change this, brown eyes salt blue, sea death, mildest of all deaths known to man. Old Father Ocean, Prix de Paris, beware of imitations. Just you give it a fair trial. We enjoyed ourselves immensely. Come, I thirst. Clouding over. No black clouds anywhere, are there? Thunderstorm. All bright he falls. Proud lightning of the intellect. Lucifer, Deco. Qui nescit ocassum. No, my cockle hat and staff and my sandals shoon. Where? To evening lands. Evening will find itself. He took the hilt of his ash plant, lunging with it softly, dallying still. Yes, evening will find itself in me, without me. All days make their end. By the way, when is it? Tuesday will be the longest day. Of all the glad new year, mother, the rum-tum-tiddly-tum. Lon Tennyson, gentleman poet, Gia. For the old hag with the yellow teeth and Monsieur Drumont, gentleman journalist, Gia. My teeth are very bad. Why, I wonder? Feel. That one is going too. Shells. Ought I go to a dentist, I wonder, with that money? That one. Toothless Kinch, the Superman. Why is that, I wonder? Or does it mean something, perhaps? My handkerchief. He threw it, I remember. Did I not take it up? His hand groped vainly in his pockets. No, I didn't. Better buy one. He laid the dry snot picked from his nostril on a ledge of rock, carefully. For the rest, let look who will. Behind, perhaps there is someone. He turned his face over a shoulder, rear-regardant. Moving through the air, high spars of a three-master, her sails brailed up on the cross-trees, homing, upstream, silently moving, a silent ship. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this reading, and I hope you have a great Bloomsday. I don't know, I'm done. I will hopefully see you in some future videos about Ulysses. I hope you enjoy the world. Good night.